going?
KEREN.
Where?
KEREN.
KEREN. You excited?
Is that right?
Yes.
Are you excited?
Yes. Not that we're moving, I'm excited.
That's matter to KEREN.
That little break, we're on our way to KEREN. It took about an hour to get here, so we might have another hour to go. We're gonna get there. But it's so beautiful. The background is all green. It's absolutely gorgeous. I don't know if you can see. There are people behind me using the urination, so see you soon. We're about to eat in Fikri and Salam restaurant. Super excited in KEREN, so let's go. Come.
Peace and love.
What is it called?
Fikri and Salam.
Yes.
Fikri Salam.
Waiting for my food. Our food. KEREN's food. Our first meal in KEREN. Super excited. We have the whole place to ourselves. Yes.
Sharu. Sharu.
Yes. Shiro. Tony. Yes.
What's that?
I don't know. A rope?
No.
Then I camel coming. Oh, you want date? Let's do date. Tamarind. Eritrean date. So yummy. Pretty dry, but it tastes really good.
I want you to film.
Oh.
I want to get a picture of the camels.
Mm-hmm.
In the house.
Are you excited?
Oh yeah. KEREN in the house.
Yes.
That's right.
Yeah, Allah.
That's what it is. That's what it do.
KEREN. This is a market. Salam. White guy. So this is the market in KEREN. So like a lot of people are buying vegetables, selling vegetables. So you see like a bunch of people trying to buy things. So let's check it out more, okay? Huh? Me too.
The other guy. Does that mean white guy?
Tara? What did I say?
The other guy?
Naidege?
Night guy?
A person from outside of here. That's okay. I'll climb up.
See, like this thing is like this. This is what they.
this is KEREN Stadium, so there are people playing soccer. This is beautiful. It's really nice. It's huge. كله طبق. كله طبق. So everything is beautiful. Yes. Aftintai. See the mosque? KEREN Shukwat. Bayan nila na kayo. Saan na? Bayan. Which way? I don't know. This is beautiful. It's changed so much since last time. Okay. So let's go.
Let's go.
Like inside. Huh? Sewing machine. Huh? مرحبا. تهنّو؟
Beautiful. KEREN, super.